Daddy's presents.
Oh, not chocolate. Oh, yeah. Some chocolate. Oh, beautiful.
Daddy's such a piglet, eh?
I love that
Yum,
chocolate, Mama.
yummy flavours.
Oh,
Best present ever.
right. Rag present.
I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, what's the next present?
Mummy brought it.
Huh?
That's okay. You put it.
You put it.
I brought it.
Go on then.
I mean, it's
Whoa.
my money, and I'm going to give it to you from the last one. But it's not this one. I'll tell you.
After this one?
I don't know what it is. Me neither. All I know is
What's this one? Oh, this is just fun. This is just fun for this morning.
Like a cracker.
This way. It was just a fun one to play with while we're here. No, it's ridiculous.
I love it. I like these things.
Hello, little Chippy. Hello, little Chippy.
Oh, I love it.
Daddy's feast day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shame.
Oh, it's not doing it.
Sofa Leanie.
Can I
5
try that?
5 feet.
Wow.
I can't see, baby girl.
Guaca.
It's not even work. That's so funny.
You know, it does.
I thought it was the whisker that you whisk.
Ah,
I thought it was.
it makes a funny sensation on your head.
Should I try that?
More back than the front.
Can I try that?
More the back of your head, I think.
Oh! Ooh, okay, here we go.
The back of the head.
Yeah, that was right.
Can you try?
You let me see your face too.
Ready?
To the back of his head, baby girl.
So you have to relax. Yeah, you have to relax. And watch the, you don't know, just have to relax. Relax, ready? Relax.
She's brave.
Relax your neck. Relax your neck. Hey, no loud teens, no loud teens.
You should see her eyes.
So funny.
Yeah, I
I
did.
think you can film me. Oh no,
Excuse
it's
me,
not going to
go
be
back.
good.
So if you're
Wait,
filming
turn
the
it
wrong
around.
way. Oh, was I filming
Yeah,
me?
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh. 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 Can I do it on Daddy? Can I try it on Dad?
She's gonna try on you, Daddy.
Set your head forward though.
Woo!
That's gonna be tough. Ready? Whoosh! Shh, warrior!
It makes your head pop out like a turtle. We won't do it to Nico though.
Oh, you're funny, baby. Oh
No.
I was joking.
my gosh, she's gonna do it.
Don't, darling.
I don't, not. I want
really
to try
wanna
to
do
do
it
it
to
on
me.
me.
No.
I really want to do it. Let's see what he does. You like?
He'll pass out. Okay, next. Ready? Next present.
Oh, can't wait for these roses.
I can't remember what any of these are because I wrapped them like for weeks ahead. Baby, send back, honey.
Oh, la, la, la. Okay,
We can go with this one.
You
This is my favourite.
Next one.
I always think I need to get like this guy.
Hello, little man. Are you okay there?
One's from Auntie.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what a sweetheart.
I know, she's incredible, that woman.
That one's from you, Neela. No. I know what one's from me.
Green and blue.
Hey, Sophia, Grace. Can you, Soph? You can go and sit on the bed over that side to watch him open his presents, baby.
Benjamin.
Before they
Hooray, yippee,
wishing
woo.
you a fabulous birthday.
Oh, nice
and
card.
fun-filled
There's a lovely
weekend.
card.
You're the best. Lots of love, Becky. Rudolph the Red-Nosed. I know what it is. Million
Oh,
book.
love it.
What? Million book. What does that mean?
I want to fucking read this one. It's exactly
Show
what
me
I
the
wanna
book,
read.
baby.
Millionaire
Success habits. Perfect.
That's
Wait,
perfect.
what?
That's exactly what I want to read. Exactly what I want to read right now.
I thought you said 6 seasons.
Thank you, Bex. Yeah, supply of Caroline coming your way.
Go get another one.
Oh, yeah, go get another present.
Huh?
This guy, Tony Robbins, endorses, like, I saw a video of
Tony?
him. Yeah. Tony Robbins, like,
fucking
ding,
need
blah,
to
blah,
know
blah.
this.
Bex
Yeah.
and I saw the video of him saying, Dean, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. He's just endorsing him.
Big Rosiosi, yeah, I've heard of this stuff.
Mum,
How did she get the book? It wouldn't be on bookshelf.
Ordered it.
She's so cool.
I know.
From her.
Hey?
Need to see that last present over there from her.
Oh, no, it's from everyone, darling. It was Mila's idea, though. Mila's idea was to buy it for... Look at Sophia's head. Looks like you got a knife sticking through your skull.
Stop it!
What's this one? I can't even remember. Is that all the presents? Oh, no, you got some.
Ready? Oh, yes! I forgot about this!
What
Yay!
is that?
To tell you
That you're 100% Ooga Booga.
that I'm from Italy, Palermo.
It's so funny. It's going to come back that you're from Niue,
Niue.
Samoa and Tonga. Nuku'alofa.
So funny if you're just from the shore.
Sure.
Waimanaki.
Daddy!
I'm from Birmingham in
Relax
Britain.
Japan. What's her name? Karen. Karen's your sister.
Karen's your sister.
I reckon she looks like you. Got
Oh,
same-
hey, now settle down.
It's just not true.
What's this present going to be?
I love this.
Thanks, Chi.
I love this shit.
From Hellenstein. You're so ungrateful.
I love those things. I love all your shirts. I've worn them.
So ungrateful.
And I wore one yesterday.
Did I give that to you?
I don't know what it is.
Oh, yeah.
Sophia, stand back, baby girl. Just go over there so you can see him.
What is Oh, yeah. I sang
I love this shirt. Bob Lazar.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy, remember then what I said, Bob Lazar? Your car
Oh,
was
this
Bob
is exactly what I'm
Lazar.
going to get Mike.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
perfect.
thought I'll get, so you know how to do it now and I'll get one for him.
Yeah, perfect. Easy.
This is so cool, baby.
Can you try it on? I was like, we didn't know if we got the right size or what.
No, this is exactly my size.
And like, I was like, what colour t-shirt? What colour print?
Bob Lazar and black. Oh,
Hope it's the right size. It might even shrink a bit. Who knows?
it is.
Is it alright? Oh, yeah, it's a good size. It'll probably shrink a little bit anyway, baby.
What size we going to get?
That size large. And it's a UA.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't know. I just looked at it. I was like, is this the right size?
Daddy, you got more.
Extra large, large, whatever.
Oh, no, that's good.
Perfect. Yeah. Some larges get, I just...
Can I see?
Ah! Ha. No one's going to have a clue who Bob Lazar is.
How? Is he a person?
Yeah. Daddy's favourite person.